Knurling in Fusion 360. Sounds complicated, right? Most people think it's tough to model, but trust me, it's way simpler than it looks. In this tutorial, we are going to create a press fit bushing with knurling. I will show you how to do it step by step. No confusion, no shortcuts, just clean, precise modeling. Now, why do we use knurling in mechanical parts? Well, knurling creates a textured pattern on the surface, which gives us better grip function or even improves the interference fit when we are pressing parts like bushing into housings. And press fit bushing, they are used to guide rotating shaft, reduce wear and make sure components stay aligned, all without using fasteners or threads. So, if you have ever been stuck trying to model knurling or want to understand how press fit bushings are used in real mechanical designs, this video is for you. So, let's begin. After opening Fusion 360, we are going to create this model in units millimeter. After that, invoke create sketch, select top plane, and in top plane, we will create the base feature. Take circle tool and to a diameter of 16, draw a circle, then concentrically draw another circle of diameter 12. Okay, now we can extrude. From solid, extrude feature, select the profile and extrude to a distance of 20. In direction, come to extrude dialog box, here symmetric, in measurement wall length, bring to isometric view. Okay. Now select the top face as sketching plane and take circle tool and from origin draw a circle of 17. Okay, so on top of this face we are going to create knurling. For that we are creating this profile. Now from solid, extrude feature and select the profile. Now in start, you have to select offset and to an offset distance of 2.5 we are going to extrude minus 2.5. Okay, now distance it's 5. Give minus 5. Okay, now again select the top face as sketching plane and let's project the circle. Invoke project, select the outer circle. Okay, now the outer circular edge is projected to this top face. Now let's extrude that. Select this profile and come to start, offset and from an offset distance of 10. In distance minus 7.5. Okay, so on top of these two profiles we are going to create the knurling. In modify, take chamfer. First let's give chamfer to these edges. Select the 3 edge. In type, distance and angle. Here the distance is 0.5. Add one more. Select these edges. Here also 0.5. Angle is 45. Okay. So this is the base features. Now let's create knurling. Select the bottom face and here we are going to create the coil. Invoke coil and from origin diameter is 17. Okay, because the outer diameter is 17. To this side we are going to create a coil. In section size let's give 0.5 and in section give triangular internal because the sharp point should come inside. Now height minus 350. Yeah. Cut operation. Yes. Now we have created this profile. As you can see, this cut we have created. Now we are going to mirror this cut to the opposite side. So from create, mirror and in object type features from timeline select the coil. Mirror plane, You have to select the right plane. Okay. Now the feature is mirrored to the opposite side. Now we have to create pattern. From create, invoke pattern, circular pattern, and in object type features from timeline select the mirror and coil feature. Now from axis can select this edge. So as you can see, the knurling is being created. So depends on the quantity, the pattern differs. So if you are giving 30, you can see here, and 40 gives the intense knurling. Let's give 50. Yes. So it's that simple to create knurling. In compute type adjust. Okay. It may take some time. Okay. So finally we have completed the model, and this is the press fit bushing. Now let's apply material. Take physical material, and in metal we can apply bronze. You can drag and drop. Yes, now the material's been applied. And that's how you create press fit bushing with knurling in Fusion 360. It's simple, clean, and fully parametric. Remember, knurling isn't just for looks, it plays a key role in mechanical fit, grip, and assembly integrity. If you have got any doubts, or if you want to learn more about mechanical design, understand how parts function, or explore features in CAD software like Fusion 360, SolidWorks, just drop a comment below this video. I'm always here to help you out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real world mechanical design tutorials. See you in next one.